The first one is G protein couple receptor. That are the largest family of the cell surface receptor. When there is no signal molecule, the G protein is bound to GDP and it's inactive. Whenever the ligands binds to the G protein couple receptor, the G protein is activated by the GTP and activates the target enzyme. This enzyme also creates the cellular response, like the release of the cyclic AMP into the cell. The second membrane receptor is tyrosine kinase. While these receptors are inactive, they exist as the monomer in the cell membrane. When ligands bind to receptor, they form a dimer structure, and subsequently, ATP is separated from its phosphates, and the tyrosine bonds with the phosphates. Relay proteins bind to a fully activated receptor, and the bound protein can trigger multiple signal structure pathways simultaneously. Ion channel receptors are a gateway that allow the ion found outside the cell to be taken into the cell in the presence of the ligands. Ions cause a response in the cell. The gate is closed when there is no ligands. The intracellular receptor, which is a lipid-soluble receptor, is located in the cytosol or nucleus. They are simultaneous by hydrophobic chemical messenger that can pass through the cell membrane, such as steroids and thyroids. When this receptor is activated by binding with a messenger, it usually travels to the nucleus and causes cellular response such as transcription. Thank you for listening.